Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to show you how to disable or stop Skype from starting automatically on Windows Startup. So when you start your Windows, go to the search bar and type msconfig, which is the system configuration. Click on that. Once you open that, you'll get options of General Boot Services, Startup and Tools. Click on Startup, then go to Open Task Manager. Now here is the list of all the applications and softwares, or else you can also click on the taskbar and go to Task Manager. There are two ways to do that. Either you go from the Windows directly, or you click on the taskbar and select the apps that you do not want to start automatically when you turn on the computer. So here you can click on Skype and then click on disable, and then do the same for the other app as well. So now the status is disabled for both of these. Close this window and you can apply cancel. Now go to this app, click here, go into settings, go to the general option. Here select startup and close, and in that you'll get the option of automatically start Skype. If this is enabled, you will get notifications as soon as you start on your computer. So turn it off, close it, and it's done. I hope this video helps you to understand how to disable Skype from starting automatically. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.